Hi Evanston, I'm meteorologist Amanda Miller, and what a great day today, huh? Almost spring-like. You can kind of feel spring in the near future, and hopefully that's the case. Taking a look at our satellite image, you can see some clearing in the northeastern part of the state, and this actually isn't a great representation of the skies because if you step outside, it's just sunny skies. It's a gorgeous day, reaching a high of 34 with northwest winds at 10 miles per hour. Well, we'll even see some more clearing as we head into the evening and the nighttime hours, and that's all thanks to some drier air moving in. Here's our water vapor image. You can see we're kind of in the yellow zone, which means we're not very moist. The more green, the more moist the air is, and the more yellow and orange, the more drier the air is. So not much moisture supply, and that's going to decrease as that dry air moves in. That helps out a couple things. One, clouds don't build, so it allows for some sunshine, and as a result, warmer temperatures. Also, it might prevent some snowfall accumulation, as I'll talk about a couple storms that are in our near forecast. For tonight, this is our surface map. You can see high pressure controlling the weather today and tonight, and even into tomorrow. Most of the day tomorrow will be nice, but we're going to keep an eye on this low pressure system as that will inch towards our area and bring us some light snow tomorrow night and into Saturday. For Saturday, that snow will be out of here early in the morning, and then the next system is down here waiting in the wings, and that will arrive sometime Sunday night into Monday. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a few minutes. For tonight, 24 for your low, which is actually pretty warm for a nighttime low, especially considering we'll have clear skies. The average low for today is 19, so tomorrow morning will be warm on your way to work. I know this morning I walked out the door and I was like, wow, it feels warm out here. So tomorrow morning will be similar. For tomorrow during the day, a high temperature of 33, partly cloudy conditions during the morning and afternoon. But as we prep for that system to move through the area tomorrow night, clouds will build throughout the day. Tomorrow night dropping down to 25 and mostly cloudy conditions with that snow likely during the nighttime hours and into Saturday. Not much accumulation expected with this storm, and the snow will end early on Saturday, maybe an inch, if that. So for your Sunday, nice during the morning hours again, and then some flurries as we head into the nighttime hours on Sunday as our next system rolls on through, and that will be more intense. If either of these storms produces some accumulation, it will be this one. It'll have some warm air advection with it, which kind of fuels the storm, and we'll see some more intense snowfall with this one. But once again, not much for accumulation. Not very impressive on that end, maybe 1 to 2 inches with this system as well. For your Monday, those flurries ending early in the day and a high of 34. Tuesday, some colder air moves in with partly cloudy skies. So not too bad of a forecast, just some flurries as we get through a couple systems, but overall high temperatures in the low to mid 30s. All right, something fun is going on tonight in Evanston I want you to check out. It's the second session of the Eco-Friendly Beauty Seminar going on at the Ecology Center from 6:30 until 8 p.m. And tonight's topic is facial products, so I'm sure you'll learn a lot about how to make facial scrubs and washes from fruits and other types of things you can find in your kitchen. This would be a great mother-daughter activity or a girls' night. For registration or information, contact the Ecology Center at 847-448-8256. All right, well, I'll be back tomorrow with your latest weather information, kind of give you a solid forecast for your weekend. There's kind of been some inconsistencies with the models, as you can see the difference between today's forecast and yesterday's forecast. So I'll be watching those model runs to give you a solid forecast for your weekend so you can get your plans set. And you know I love to fill your weekends with fun Evanston activities. So tomorrow I'll also bring you some events going on in Evanston throughout the weekend. Have a great night. I'll be back tomorrow.